Okay, and 3, 2.
Welcome to Cool Time, where we show DIYers like you the coolest and hottest new products in heating and cooling. And that means, once again, we're going to be talking about the MrCool DIY ductless mini split. Click the link anytime during the show to own yours today.
I'm gonna be the lovely assistant.
When you compare the MrCool DIY ductless mini split to a normal HVAC unit, it's pretty clear which one's better. The MrCool DIY uses a refrigerant, trap the heat, and move it in or out of your house. It's that easy. And you don't have to spend thousands of dollars installing a maze of ductwork.
Help! It's attacking me!
The MrCool DIY ductless mini split is also cheaper than your conventional AC units. You can get multiple temperatures in multiple rooms using the multi-zone, and you control all those temperatures through the app. But what really sets the MrCool DIY ductless mini split apart is in the name. It's an easy DIY installation. And to prove that, we're gonna pull out a random, inexperienced audience member to install a MrCool DIY. And Sweaty Bob here will install an HVAC unit, and we'll see who finishes faster.
Pick me, please!
You. Our audience member will install a MrCool DIY using the few tools that he needs, while Sweaty Bob will install an HVAC unit with the many complicated and expensive tools he needs.
Seriously?
Ready, set, install!
To install the MrCool DIY, take the mount off the back of the mini split. Place the mount where you want it. Screw it in. Use a hole saw to cut a hole right next to it. Push the lines through, and then you mount the air handler. And then you connect all the lines to the outdoor condenser.
And you're done.
What happened to Sweaty Bob?
Day 39. I've somehow lost myself in the ductwork of my own home. Still no escape. The good news is, the rats see me as their leader. I'm okay. I choose MrCool DIY.
MrCool DIY is so quick and easy to install. Even first-timers can do it. Click the link below to get yours today. The MrCool DIY also comes in a multi-zone mini-split system where each family member can set the perfect temperature for themselves. And you can adjust your temperature through the MrCool Smart HVAC app. Whether you want 62 degrees or 86 degrees or somewhere in between, that's a snuggly temperature.
And I don't have to rely on what he likes, because the MrCool DIY multi-zone mini-split heats and cools up to 5 zones, each with customizable temperatures. So if you're a hot, sweaty mess like me, you can turn down the temps independent from your friends.
Acquaintances at best.
Okay.
And that's great for me, too. When I'm not standing outside waiting to give helpful advice to my neighbor, I like chilling in my home at 75 degrees. So if you like fully customizable temperatures for your home, click the link below to get your MrCool DIY multi-zone mini-split system today.
That is helpful advice. The MrCool DIY saves you money for 2 reasons. 1, installation is way cheaper. Even if you don't want to do it yourself, a repairman can do it much faster than a traditional AC.
Day 57. I'm now king of the rats. I've married their queen, but the Turks are after to assassinate me. They got my leg! No! Ah! It's biting me! No!
And 2, it cuts energy costs. Less time, less money, meaning you burn less of this and you spend less of this. It saves you green because it is green. So what are you waiting for? The MrCool DIY ductless mini split is quick and easy to install, cools and heats separate rooms individually with the multi-zone, and saves you money. Click the link below to get your MrCool DIY today. We'll see you next time on Cool Time, brought to you by MrCool. And join us next week as Sweaty Bob shows us how to turn on a pilot light.
Woo! Yippee-ki-yay, motherfire!
Take it easy, cowboy.
Woo! I'm so excited.
I can tell.
Well, it's getting kind of hot now.
Yes, hot like my buns on a Miami beach.
Yeah, can we turn on MrCool? It won't turn off. I can't get it.
Oh, that sounds like a personal problem, Bob.
Click now and get the link before I get burned. Don't. Please help.
I'm not helping.
I don't want to set it down.